The governor says this commission will likely have members with legal, investigative, and mental health backgrounds to look back at the months leading up to the shooting and how police responded.
It's hoped that the commission will be able to answer persistent questions, especially about a state law designed to keep firearms away from people who might be dangerous.
Our Zach Merchant spoke today with the Lincoln County Sheriff's Office, whose deputies use the yellow flag law more than almost any other agency in Maine.
The numbers are still small. In total, data from the State Department of Public Safety indicates the law has been used to remove someone's firearms 82 times since it was implemented in 2020.
It's a relatively new law. It's not a law that's used every day.
Patrol Lieutenant Brendan Kane's Lincoln County Sheriff's Office has used the law 6 times, according to state data. He says each case is considered independently, but his deputies pay special attention to 2 factors when dealing with someone in mental distress.
We have to make an evaluation of, does this person have access to firearms? Have they threatened use of firearms? Have they threatened anybody, or are they just terribly suffering?
Once deputies determine someone needs to be removed from their weapons, they've got to follow a multi-part process that involves law enforcement, mental health professionals, and a judge.
So it's a fairly high threshold.
Still, Lincoln County Sheriff Todd Brackett says it's been effective for his agency.
We've had pretty good success with it, though, I think, here in Lincoln County for the most part.
It sounds like if somebody had a history of being treated for mental health problems, they had access to firearms, and they'd made threats to commit a shooting, that would be somebody that your office would be serious about using the yellow flag law on.
Oh, absolutely. If it's an option for us, given the circumstances, and that we're able to verify that information.
Sheriff Brackett stressed he was speaking only about his office's process and not any other agencies. But public records confirm in Saginaw County, the sheriff's office there never made contact with Lewiston mass shooter Robert Card, despite knowing he had access to firearms, had mental health problems, and had threatened to shoot up a military base. In Lincoln County, Zach Merchant, News Center, Maine.
Sheriff Brackett added that as officers and not trained mental health professionals, these mental health cases can be difficult for agencies to evaluate. Saginaw Sheriff Joel Mary says he believes his deputies followed protocol, but his department is reevaluating its procedures for the future.